This is OxyData PPF Advanced Oxygen Analyzer manufactured by Wave Vision, used for oxygen plant and pipeline to measure oxygen purity, pressure, flow and temperature. Here you can see live data coming from the 34 psi pressure. You can see oxygen purity, pressure, flow and temperature. You can set alarms of each parameter, maximum and minimum values. Here you can mute and unmute the alarms according to your need. This can also be seen on Wi-Fi app. Connect OxyData Wi-Fi. Open app. Press on connect local device. You can see data coming here. We have also other oxygen analyzed for different applications. This is IoT device. You can monitor, store this data on Wave Cloud. You can also store and get the data for last 3 months and generate reports for the same. On app you can also check, and this will be transferred over here. Also you can mute unmute on the mobile as well. You can generate report. Add remarks. You can see here report this for 1 minute.